So the process starts with manufacture of a pattern. And a pattern is a wooden or resin or aluminium exact replica of the casting that's required. You can then mould that. We create a sand mould from that pattern, which creates a cavity which you can pour metal into, which essentially creates your casting. On this particular instance, it's just straightforward cast iron. So we melted returns and some scrap. We melt it in the furnace. The furnace will get up to 1500 degrees C. This one will probably take a couple of hours to cool down sufficiently to be able to take the top off and actually have a look at the casting. The technology of the sand and the lifting technology and the furnaces and that are much cleaner in terms of environmental impact, but essentially it's the same process that we used in the Bronze Age.